How to insert disc in PS5. So as you can see here, I have a PS4 disc, that will work, a PS5 disc will work, any disc that you have. What you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the artwork of the disc facing up there to the middle part, which is like the black middle part there. That's what you're going to want to do, because some people make the mistake and put the silver side, the back side, into the PlayStation 5. That it doesn't accept it. So when you do it, make sure, as you can see here, it goes in like that. So all you have to do, have the artwork facing the middle part there, and you can just let it go in by itself, and then once that's done, the disc will be inserted to the PlayStation 5. You can go to the screen and you can kind of download all the updates, put it to the actual system of the PlayStation 5, so you don't have to keep on inserting and ejecting it. And as you can see there, if you want to eject the disc, all you're going to have to do is press the one that's actually on the right, which is the smaller button to eject the disc from the PS5. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.